Today we are featuring the BWISE Multitasker 18,400 pound gross vehicle weight rating multi-purpose trailer. The key selling point of this trailer is you have one title, one license plate, and the trailer itself tilts, and you can put on either a removable flatbed deck or a removable dump bed. So you don't have to buy both, you can buy either or, but of course if you do buy both the flatbed and the dump bed, you can then use the trailer as either a tilt deck flatbed or a dump trailer. There are manual controls at the front of the trailer, and also a remote that's wireless that is USB chargeable. Starting the engine is easy. Then we're going to show how a vehicle can be loaded onto the tilt deck flatbed. And the bed is lowered using the wireless remote.